In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Dish discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so we'll jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Dish discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 10% off your next order, all you need to do right here is select your coupon code, and you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called utrif.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 15% discount, all you need to do right here is select copy code. And this is the promo code that you can copy and apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this 15% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.